Hari Bol, Dandot Pranam. So I was reciting Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Going to continue the same. Before that, let me pray to Srila Gurudev, to the Guru Parampara, to the Supreme Lord and His loving associates. Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitamena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Rishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So today I am going to recite the 15th chapter in Madhya Leela, Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Now let me, first I am going to recite from text 1 to 8. Sarvabhauma grahe bhunjan swanindakam amoghakam angi kurvan sputam chakre gauraha swam bhakta vashyatam. जय जय श्री चैतन्य, जय नित्यानंद, जय अद्वैत चंद्र, जय गौर भक्त वृंद, जय श्री चैतन्य चरित्रामृत श्रोतागण, चैतन्य चरितामृत जार प्राण धन, यही मत महाप्रभु भक्त गण संगे नीलाचले रही करे नृत्य गीत रंगे. प्रथमावसरे जगन्नाथ दर्शन नृत्य गीत करे दंड प्रणाम स्तवन, उपल भोग लागिले करे बाहिरे विजय, हरिदास मिली आई से आपन निलय, घरे वसी करे प्रभु नाम संकीर्तन, अद्वैत आसिया करे प्रभुर पूजन, सुगंधि शरीले देन पाद्य आचमन, सर्वांगे लेपये प्रभुर सुगंधि चंदन. Translation. While Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was taking prasadam at the house of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Amogha criticized him. Still the Lord accepted Amogha, thereby showing how much he was obliged to his devotees. All glories to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all glories to Lord Nityananda Prabhu, all glories to Advaita Chandra, and all glories to all the devotees of Lord Chaitanya. All glories to the listeners of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita who have accepted it as their life and soul. While Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stayed at Jagannath Puri, he constantly enjoyed chanting and dancing with his devotees. In the beginning of the day, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw the deity of Lord Jagannath in the temple. He offered him obeisances and prayers and danced and sang before him. After visiting the temple, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would remain outside during the Upala Bhoga offering. He would then go meet Haridas Thakur and return to his residence. Sitting in his room, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would chant on his beads and Advaita Prabhu would come there to worship the Lord. While worshipping Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Advaita Acharya would offer him scented water to wash his mouth and feet. Then Advaita Acharya would smear very fragrant sandalwood pulp all over his body. Text 9 to 17. Gale mala den माथाए तुलसी मंजरी, जोड़ हाथे स्तुति करे पड़े नमस्करी. पूजा पात्रे पुष्प तुलसी, शेष जे आचिल सही सब लैया प्रभु आचार्य पूजिल. यो असी सो असी नमो अस्तुते, यही मंत्र पढ़े मुख वाद्य करी प्रभु हासाए आचार्य रे. यही मत अन्यो अन्य करे न नमस्कार, प्रभु रे निमंत्रण करे आचार्य बार बार. आचार्य निमंत्रण आश्चर्य कथन विस्तारी वर्णिया छेन दास वृंदावन। पुनरुक्ति है ताहा ना कहिलूं वर्णन, आर भक्तगण करे प्रभु रे निमंत्रण। एक एक दिन एक एक भक्त ग्रहे महोत्सव, प्रभु संगे तहाँ भोजन करे भक्त सब। चारी मास रहीला सबे महाप्रभुर संगे, जगन्नाथेर नाना यात्रा देखे महारंगे। कृष्ण जन्म यात्रा दिने नंद महोत्सव, गोप वेश अहिला प्रभु लैया भक्त सब। Translation: Sri Advaita Prabhu would also place a flower garland around the Lord's neck and tulsi flowers, manjaris on his head. Then with folded hands, Advaita Acharya would offer obeisances and prayers unto the Lord. After being worshipped by Advaita Acharya, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would take the dish containing flowers and tulsi, and with whatever paraphernalia remained, he would worship Advaita Acharya. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would worship Advaita Acharya by chanting the mantra, "Whatever you are, but I offer my respects unto you." In addition, the Lord would make some sounds within his mouth that would make Advaita Acharya laugh. In this way, Advaita Acharya and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would offer their respectful obeisances unto each other. Then Advaita Acharya would extend an invitation to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again and again. Indeed, Sri Advaita Acharya's invitation is another wonderful story. It has been vividly described by Vrindavan Das Thakur. Since Advaita Acharya's invitation has been described by Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur, I shall not repeat the story, but I shall say that other devotees also extended invitations to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Day after day, one devotee after another would invite Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and the other devotees to lunch and would also hold a festival. All the devotees remained at Jagannath Puri for 4 continuous months, and they observed all Lord Jagannath's festivals with great pleasure. The devotees celebrated the festival of Janmashtami, Krishna's birthday, which is also called Nanda Mahotsav, the festival of Nanda Maharaj. At that time, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his devotees dressed themselves as cowherd boys. Text 18 to 26. दधी दुग्ध भार सबे निज स्कंदे करी, महोत्सव स्थाने आइला बलि हरि हरि। कानानी खुटिया आछेन नंदवेश धरी, जगन्नाथ महाती हया छेन ब्रजेश्वरी। आपने प्रताप रुद्र आर मिश्र काशी, सार्वभौम आर पड़ीछा पात्र तोसी। यहाँ सब लैया प्रभु करे नृत्य रंग, दधी दूध हरिद्रा जले भरे सबा रंग। अद्वैत कहे सत्य कही ना करियो कोप, लगुड़ा फिराइते पार तबे जानी गोप। तबे लगुड़ा लैया प्रभु फिराइते लागिला, बार बार आकाशे फेली लुभिया धरिला। शिरेर उपरे पृष्ठे समुखे दुई पाशे, पाद मध्य फिराए लगुड़ा देखी लोक हासे। अलाट चक्रेर प्राय लगुड़ा फिराए, देखी सर्वलोक चित्ते चमत्कार पाए। यही मत नित्यानंद फिराए लगुड़ा, के बुझीबे तहाँ दुहारा गोप भाव गूढ़ा। Translation: Having dressed up like cowherd boys, all the devotees carried pots of milk and yogurt balanced on rods over their shoulders. Thus they all arrived at the festival grounds chanting the holy name of Hari. Kanai Khotiya dressed himself like Nanda Maharaj, and Jagannath Mahiti dressed himself as Mother Yashoda. At that time, King Pratap Rudra was also personally present with Kashi Mishra, Sarabham Bhattacharya and Tulsi Padicha Patra. As usual, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced jubilantly. Everyone was covered with milk, yogurt and yellow turmeric water. At this time, Sri Advaita Acharya said, "Please do not be angry, I speak the truth. I shall know that you are a cowherd boy only if you can wheel this rod about." Accepting Advaita Acharya's challenge, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took a big rod and began to wheel it around and around. Again and again he threw the rod into the sky and caught it when it fell. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wheeled and threw the rod sometimes over his head, sometimes behind his back, sometimes in front of him, sometimes to his side and sometimes between his legs. All the people laughed to see this. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu whirled the rod in a circle like a firebrand, the heart of everyone who saw it was astonished. Nityananda Prabhu also played at whirling the rod. Who can understand how they were ecstatically immersed in the deep emotions of the cowherd boys? Text 27 to 36. प्रताप रुद्रेर आज्ञाए परीक्षा तुलसी जगन्नाथेर प्रसाद वस्त्र एक लैया आसी बहुमूल्य वस्त्र प्रभु मस्तके बांधिला आचार्य आदि प्रभुर गणेर पराइला कानाई खुटिया जगन्नाथ दुई जन आवेशे विलाइला घरे छिला जत धन देखी महाप्रभु बड़ संतोष पाइला माता पिता ज्ञाने दोहे नमस्कार कैला परम आवेशे प्रभु आइला निज घर एई मत लीला करे गौरांग सुंदर विजयादशमी लंका विजयर दिने वानर सैन्य कैला प्रभु लैया भक्त गणे हनुमान आवेशे प्रभु वृक्ष शाखा लैया लंका गड़े चढ़ी फेले गदा भांगिया कहाँ रे रावण प्रभु कहे क्रोध आवेशे जगन माता हरे पापी मारिमु सब वंशे घोषाएं आवेश देखी लोके चमत्कार सर्वलोक जय जय बोले बार बार यही मत रास यात्रा आर दीपावली उत्थान द्वादशी यात्रा देखिला सकली. Translation: Following the orders of Maharaj Pratap Rudra, the temple superintendent named Tulsi brought one of Lord Jagannath's used clothes. This valuable cloth was wrapped around the head of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The other devotees headed by Advaita Acharya also had clothes wrapped around their heads. In ecstasy, Kanai Khutiya, who was dressed as Nanda Maharaj, and Jagannath Mahiti, who was dressed as Mother Yashoda, distributed all the riches they had stocked at home. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was greatly satisfied to see this. Accepting them as his father and mother, he offered them obeisances. In great ecstasy, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned to his residence. In this way, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, known as Gaurasundar, performed various pastimes. On the day celebrating the conquest of Lanka, a day known as Vijayadashmi, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dressed up all his devotees as monkey soldiers. Displaying the emotions of Hanuman, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took up a large tree branch and mounting the walls of the Lanka fort, began to dismantle it. In the ecstasy of Hanuman, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu angrily said, "Where is that rascal Ravana? He has kidnapped the universal mother Sita. Now I shall kill him and all his family." Everyone became very much astonished to see the emotional ecstasy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and everyone began to chant, all glories again and again. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his devotees participated in all the festivals including Rasa Yatra, Deepavali and Utthana Dwadashi. Text 37 to 42. एक दिन महाप्रभु नित्यानंदे लैया दुई भाई युक्ति कैला निभृते बसिया किबा युक्ति कैला दुहे केहो नाही जाने फले अनुमान पाछे कैल भक्त गणे तबे महाप्रभु सब भक्ते बोलाइला गौड़ देशे जाओ सबे विदाय करिला सबारे कहिला प्रभु प्रत्याब्द आसिया गुंडीचा देखिया जाबो आमारे मिलिया आचार्य रे आज्ञा दिला करिया सम्मान, आ चंडाल आदि कृष्ण भक्ति दियो दान। नित्यानंदे आज्ञा दिला जाओ गौड़ देशे, अनर्गल प्रेम भक्ति करिहो प्रकाशे। Translation. One day the two brothers Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu consulted with each other while sitting together in a solitary place. No one could understand what the brothers discussed between themselves, but later all the devotees could guess what the subject matter was. Thereafter, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu called for all the devotees and asked them to return to Bengal. In this way, he bade farewell to them. Bidding farewell to all the devotees, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu requested them to return to Jagannath Puri every year to see him and then see the cleaning of the Gundicha temple. With great respect, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu requested Advaita Acharya, give Krishna consciousness, devotion to Krishna even to the lowest of men, Chandalas. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ordered Nityananda Prabhu, go to Bengal and without restriction manifest devotional service to the Lord, Krishna consciousness. Text 43 to 49. रामदास गदाधर आदि कत जने तोमार सहाय लागी दिलों तोमार सने मध्य मध्य आमी तोमार निकट जाइबा अलक्षिते रही तोमार नृत्य देखिबा। श्रीवास पंडिते प्रभु करी आलिंगन कंठे धरी कहे तारे मधुर वचन तोमार घरे कीर्तने आमी नित्य नाचिबा तुमी देखा पाबे आर केहो ना देखिबा। ए वस्त्र माता के दिहो ए सब प्रसाद दंडवत करी आमार क्षमायो अपराध तार सेवा छाड़ी आमी करियाची संन्यास धर्म नहीं करी आमी निज धर्म नाश तार प्रेम वस आमी तार सेवा धर्म ताहा छाड़ी करियाची बातुलेर कर्म। Translation. Nityananda Prabhu was given assistants like Ramdas, Gadadhar Das and several others. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, I give them to you to assist you. I shall go to see you at intervals, keeping myself invisible. I shall watch you dance. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then embraced Srivas Pandit and with his arm about his neck began to speak to him in sweet words. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu requested Srivas Thakur, perform congregational chanting daily and be assured that I shall also dance in your presence. You will be able to see this dancing, but not others. Take this prasadam of Lord Jagannath's and this cloth and deliver them to my mother, Sachi Devi. After offering her obeisances, please request her to excuse my offences. I have given up the service of my mother and have accepted the sannyas order. Actually, I should not have done this, for by doing so, I have destroyed my religious principles. I am subordinate to the love of my mother, and it is my duty to serve her in return. Instead of doing so, I have accepted the renounced order. Certainly, this is the act of a madman. Text 50 to 59. बातुल बालकेर माता नाही लय दोष एई जानी माता मोरे ना करे रोष की काय सन्यासे मोर प्रेम निज धन जे काले सन्यास कैलो छन्न हैलमन नीलाचले आछो मुई ताहार आज्ञाते मध्य मध्य आसिमो तार चरण देखिते नित्य जाय देखी मुई ताहार चरणे स्फूर्ति ज्ञाने तेहो ताहा सत्य नाही माने। एक दिन साली अन्न व्यंजन 5-7 शाक मोचा घंटा पृष्ठ पटोल निंब पाता लिंबू आदि खंड दधी दुग्ध खंडसार शालग्रामे समर्पिलेन बहु उपहार प्रसाद लैया कोले करेन क्रंदन निमायर प्रिय मोर ए सब व्यंजन निमाई नाही कहे था के करे भोजन मोर ध्याने अश्रु जले भरिल नयन शीघ्र जाय मोई सब करिनु प्रक्षण शून्य पात्र देखी अश्रु करिया मार्जन, के अन्न व्यंजन खाइला शून्य केने पात, बाल गोपाल की बा खाइला सब भात. Translation: A mother is not offended by her mad son, and knowing this, my mother is not offended by me. I had no business in accepting the renounced order and sacrificing my love for my mother, which is my real property. Actually, I was in a crazy state of mind when I accepted sannyas. I am staying here at Jagannath Puri, Nilachal, to comply with her orders, but at intervals I go see her lotus feet. Indeed, I go there daily to see her lotus feet. She is able to feel my presence, although she does not believe it to be true. One day my mother Sachi offered food to Shalagram Vishnu. She offered rice cooked with sali paddy, various kinds of vegetables, spinach, curry made of banana flowers, fried patol with nimba leaves, pieces of ginger with lemon, and also yogurt, milk, sugar candy, and many other foods. Taking the food upon her lap, mother was crying to think that all that food was very dear to her Nimai. My mother was thinking, Nimai is not here. Who will accept all this food? As she meditated upon me in this way, her eyes filled with tears. While she was thinking thus and crying, I immediately went there with great haste and ate everything. Seeing the dish empty, she wiped her tears away. She then began to wonder who had eaten all that food. Why is this plate empty? She wondered, doubting that Bal Gopal had eaten all. Text 60 to 69. किबा मोर कथाय मने भ्रम हय्या गेला, किबा कोण जंतु आसी सकल खाईला, किबा आम्ही अन्न पात्रे भ्रमे ना बाडीला, एत चिंती पाक पात्र जाय देखिला. अन्न व्यंजन पूर्ण देखी सकल भोजने, देखिया संशय हैल किछु चमत्कार मने. ईशा ने बोलाइया पुनः स्थान ले पाइला, पुनरपि गोपाल की अन्न समर्पिला. यही मत जबे करे न उत्तम रंधन, मोरे खाओ याइते करे उत्कंठाय रोदन. तार प्रेम आनी आमाए कराय भोजने, अंतरे माने सुख बाये नाही माने. यही विजयादशमी ते हैल यही रीति, ताहा के पूछिया तार करायो प्रतीति. एतेक कहिते प्रभु विभल हैला, लोक विदाय करिते प्रभु धैर्य धरिला. राघव पंडिते कहे न वचन सरस, तोमार शुद्ध प्रेमे आमी हई तोमार वस. यहार कृष्ण सेवार कथा सुनो सर्वजन, परम पवित्र सेवा अति सर्वोत्तम. Translation: She began to wonder whether there had actually been anything on the plate in the first place. Then again she thought that some animal might have come and eaten everything. She thought, perhaps by mistake I did not put any food on the plate. So thinking, she went into the kitchen and saw the pots. When she saw that all the pots were still filled with rice and vegetables, there was some doubt in her mind and she was astonished. Thus wondering, she called Ishan the servant and had the place cleaned again. She then offered another plate to Gopal. Now whenever she prepares some good cooked food and wants to feed it to me, she cries in great anxiety. Being obliged by her love, I am brought there to eat. Mother knows all these things internally and feels happiness, but externally she does not accept them. Such an incident took place on the last Vijayadashmi day. You can ask her about this incident and thus make her believe that actually I go there. While describing all this, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became a little overwhelmed, but just to finish bidding farewell to the devotees, he remained patient. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu next spoke some relishable words to Raghav Pandit. He said, I am obliged to you due to your pure love for me. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then informed everyone Just hear about the pure devotional service rendered to Krishna by Raghav Pandit. Indeed, Raghav Pandit's service is supremely pure and highly accomplished. Text 70 to 78. आर द्रव्य रहु सुन नारिकेलेर कथा, 5 गंडा करी नारिकेल विकाय तथा। वाटिते कत शत वृक्षे लक्ष लक्ष फल, तथापि सुनेन जथा मिष्ट नारिकेल। एक एक फलेर मूल्य दिया चारी चारी पान, 10 क्रोश हैते आनाय करिया जतन। प्रतिदिन 5-7 फल छोलाइया, सुशीतल करीते राखे जले डुबाइया। भोगेर समय पुनः चूली संस्करी, कृष्णे समर्पण करे मुख छिद्र करी। कृष्ण से नारिकेल जल पाए पान करी, कभू शून्य फल राखेन कभू जल भरी। जल शून्य फल देखी पंडित हर्षित, फल भांगी शोषे करे सत पात्र पुरित। शस्य समर्पण करी बाहिरे ध्यान, शस्य खाया कृष्ण करे शून्य भाजन। कभू शस्य खाया पुनः पात्र भरे, सामशे श्रद्धा बाड़े पंडिते प्रेम सिंधु भाषे। Translation: Apart from other commodities, just hear about his offering of coconuts. A coconut is sold at the rate of 5 gandas each. Although he already has hundreds of trees and millions of fruits, he is still very eager to hear about the place where sweet coconuts are available. He collects coconuts with great endeavor from a place 20 miles away, and he pays 4 panas each for them. Every day 5 to 7 coconuts are clipped and put into water to keep cool. At the time of offering bhog, the coconuts are again clipped and cleansed. After holes are made in them at the top, they are offered to Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna drinks the juice from these coconuts, and sometimes the coconuts are left drained of juice. At other times the coconuts remain filled with juice. When Raghav Pandit sees that the juice has been drunk from the coconuts, he is very pleased. He then breaks the coconuts, takes out the pulp and puts it on another plate. After offering the pulp, he meditates outside the temple door. In the meantime, Lord Krishna, having eaten the pulp, leaves the plate empty. Sometimes after eating the pulp, Krishna fills the plate again with new pulp. In this way, the faith of Raghav Pandit increases and he floats in an ocean of love. Text 79 to 87. एक दिन फल दश संस्कार करिया, भोग लगाइते सेवक आइला लैया। अवसर नाही है विलंब हैल, फल पात्र हाथे सेवक द्वारे त रहिल। द्वारेर ऊपर भीते तेहो हाथ दिला, सही हाथे फल चुनीला पंडित देखिला। पंडित कहे द्वारे लोक करे गता याते, तार पद धूली उड़ी लागे ऊपर भीते। सेई भीते हाथ दिया फल परशिला, कृष्ण योग्य नहे फल अपवित्र हैला। एत बलि फल फैले प्राचीर लंघिया, ऐछे पवित्र प्रेम सेवा जगत जिनिया। तबे आर नारिकेल संस्कार कराइला, परम पवित्र करी भोग लगाइला। एही मत कला आम्र नारंग कांठाल, जहा जहा दूर ग्रामे सुनिया छे भाल। बहुमूल्य दिया आनी करिया जतन, पवित्र संस्कार करी करे निवेदन। Translation: One day it so happened that about 10 coconuts were properly clipped and brought by a servant to offer to the deity. When the coconuts were brought, there was little time to offer them because it was already late. The servant holding the container of coconuts remained standing at the door. Raghav Pandit then saw that the servant touched the ceiling above the door and then touch the coconuts with the same hand. Raghav Pandit then said, people are always coming and going through the door. The dust from their feet blows up and touches the ceiling. After touching the ceiling above the door, you have touched the coconuts. Now they are no longer fit to be offered to Krishna because they are contaminated. Such is the service of Raghav Pandit. He did not accept the coconuts but threw them over the wall. His service is purely based on unalloyed love and it conquers the whole world. Thereafter, Raghav Pandit had other coconuts gathered, cleansed and clipped, and with great attention he offered them to the deity to eat. In this way, he collects from distant villages excellent bananas, mangoes, oranges, jackfruits, and whatever other first-class fruits he has heard about. All these fruits are collected from distant places and bought at a high price. After trimming them with great care and purity, Raghav Pandit offers them to the deity. Text 88 to 96. Ei mata venjanera shak moola phal, ei mata chida hudum sandesh sakal, ei mata pitha pana kshira odan, parama pavitra आर करे सर्वोत्तम. कासमडी आचार आदि अनेक प्रकार गंध वस्त्र अलंकार सर्व द्रव्य सार यही मत प्रेमेर सेवा करे अनुपम जहा देखी सर्वलोकेर जुड़ाए नयन एत बलि राघवेरे कैला आलिंगन यही मत सम्मानिला सर्व भक्तगण. शिवानंद सेने कहे करिया सम्मान वासुदेव दत्तेर तुम्ही करिहो समाधान परम उदार इहो जे दिन जे आइसे सेई दिने व्यय करे नाही राखे शेष. गृहस्थ है न इन्हो चाहिए संचय संचय ना कैले कुटुंब भरण नाही है. इहार गरेर आय व्यय सब तोमार स्थाने सरखेला हैया तुम्ही करिह समाधाने. Translation. Thus, with great care and attention, Raghav Pandit prepares spinach, other vegetables, radishes, fruits, chipped rice, powdered rice, and sweetmeats. He prepares cakes, sweet rice, condensed milk, and everything else with great attention, and the cooking conditions are purified so that the food is first class and delicious. Raghav Pandit also offers all kinds of pickles such as Kasamdi. He offers various scents, garments, ornaments and the best of everything. Thus Raghav Pandit serves the Lord in an incomparable way. Everyone is very much satisfied just to see him. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then mercifully embraced Raghav Pandit. The Lord also offered all the other devotees a farewell with similar respect. The Lord also respectfully told Shivananda Sen, take care of Vasudev Dutt very nicely. Vasudev Dutt is very liberal. Every day whatever income he receives, he spends, he does not keep any balance. Being a householder, Vasudev Dutt needs to save some money. Because he is not doing so, it is very difficult for him to maintain his family. Please take care of Vasudev Datta's family affairs, become his manager and make the proper adjustments. Text 97 to 102. प्रति वर्षे आमार सब भक्त गण लैया गोंडी चाय आसीबे सबाय पालन करिया. कुलीन ग्रामीरे कहे सम्मान करिया. प्रत्यब्ध आसीबे यात्राए पट्ट दोरी लैया. गुणराज खान कैल श्री कृष्ण विजय ताहा एक वाक्य तार आछे प्रेममय. नंद नंदन कृष्ण मोर प्राणनाथ यही वाक्य विकायनु तार वंशेर हाथ. एक भावे वंदा हरि जोड़ करी हाथ. नंद नंदन कृष्ण मोर प्राणनाथ. तोमार की कथा तोमार ग्रामेर कुकुर से मोर प्रिय अन्य जन रहु दूर. तबे रामानंद और सत्यराज खान प्रभुर चरणे किचु कैल निवेदन. Translation. Come every year and bring all my devotees with you to the Gundicha festival. I also request you to maintain all of them. The Lord then, with great respect, extended an invitation to all the inhabitants of Kulinagram, asking them to come every year and bring silken rope to carry Lord Jagannath during the Rath Yatra festival. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then said, Gunaraj Khan of Kulinagram compiled a book named Sri Krishna Vijay, in which there is a sentence revealing the author's ecstatic love of Krishna. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Krishna, the son of Nanda Maharaj, is my life and soul. By this statement, I am sold into the hands of the descendants of Gunaraj Khan. To say nothing of you, even a dog living in your village is very dear to me, what then to speak of others? After this, Ramananda Vasu and Satyaraj Khan both submitted questions at the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Text 103 to 107. Grahastha Vishayami ki mor sadhane, Sri Mukhe Agya kar Prabhu Nivedi Charane. प्रभु कहेन कृष्ण सेवा वैष्णव सेवन निरंतर कर कृष्ण नाम संकीर्तन. सत्यराज बोले, वैष्णव चीनी बा के मने, के वैष्णव कह तार सामान्य लक्षणे. प्रभु कहे, जार मुखे सुनी एक बार, कृष्ण नाम से पूज्य श्रेष्ठ सभाकार. एक कृष्ण नामे करे सर्व पाप क्षय, नवविधा भक्ति पूर्ण नाम हिते है. Translation. Satyaraj Khan said, My dear Lord, being a householder and a materialistic man, I do not know the process of advancing in spiritual life. I therefore submit myself onto your lotus feet and request you to give me orders. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied, Without cessation continue chanting the holy names of Lord Krishna whenever possible. Serve him and his devotees, the Vaishnavas. Upon hearing this, Satyaraj said, How can I recognize a Vaishnava? Please let me know what a Vaishnava is. What are his common symptoms? Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied, Whoever chants the holy name of Krishna just once is worshipable and is the topmost human being. Simply by chanting the holy name of Krishna once, a person is relieved from all the reactions of a sinful life. One can complete the 9 processes of devotional service simply by chanting the holy name. Text 108 to 109. दीक्षा पुरश्चर्या विधि अपेक्षा ना करे, जिह्वा स्पर्शे आ चंडाल सबारे उद्धारे. अनुसंग फले करे संसारे रक्षय, चित्त आकर्ष्या कराए कृष्णे प्रेमोदय. Translation. One does not have to undergo initiation or execute the activities required before initiation. One simply has to vibrate the holy name with his lips. Thus even a man in the lowest class Chandal can be delivered. By chanting the holy name of the Lord, one dissolves his entanglement in material activities. After this, one becomes very much attracted to Krishna, and thus dormant love for Krishna is awakened. Text 110 to 116. Akristihi kritachetasam sumanasam ucchatanam chamsam achandalam अमूक लोक सुलभो वश्याश्च मुक्ति श्रिय. नो दीक्षाम न च सत्क्रियाम न च पुरश्चर्याम मनागीक्षते. मंत्रो अयम रसना स्पृग एव फलति श्री कृष्ण नामात्मकः. अतएव जार मुखे एक कृष्ण नाम, सहित वैष्णव करिहो तहार सम्मान. खंडेर मुकुंद दास श्री रघुनंदन श्री नरहरि, ए मुख्य 3 जन. मुकुंद दासेर पूछे सचिर नंदन, तुम्ही पिता पुत्र तोमार श्री रघुनंदन, किबा रघुनंदन पिता तुम्ही तार तनय, निश्चय करिया कहो जाऊक संशय। मुकुंद कहे रघुनंदन मोर पिता है, आमी तार पुत्र यही आमार निश्चय। आमा सबार कृष्ण भक्ति रघुनंदन हैते, अतएव पिता रघुनंदन आमार निश्चिते। Translation: The holy name of Lord Krishna is an attractive feature for many saintly liberal people. It is the annihilator of all sinful reactions and is so powerful that save for the dumb who cannot chant it, it is readily available to everyone, including the lowest type of men, the Chandala. The holy name of Krishna is the controller of the opulence of liberation, and it is identical with Krishna. When a person simply chants the holy name with his tongue, immediate effects are produced. Chanting the holy name does not depend on initiation, pious activities, or the Purascharya regulative principles generally observed before initiation. The holy name does not wait for any of these activities. It is self-sufficient. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then finally advised, one who is chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra is understood to be a Vaishnava, therefore you should offer all respects to him. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then turned his attention to three persons, Mukunda Das, Raghunandan and Sri Narahari, inhabitants of the place called Khanda. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the son of Mother Sachi, next asked Mukunda Das, you are the father and your son is Raghunandan. Is that so? Or is it Srila Raghunandan your father and you are his son? Please let me know the facts so that my doubts will go away. Mukunda replied, Raghunandan is my father and I am his son. This is my decision. All of us have attained devotion to Krishna due to Raghunandan. Therefore, in my mind, he is my father. Text 117 to 124. सुनी हर्षे कहे प्रभु कहिले निश्चय, जहाँ हिते कृष्ण भक्ति से ही गुरु है। भक्तेर महिमा प्रभु कहिते पाए सुख, भक्तेर महिमा कहिते है पांच मुख। भक्त गणे कहे सुन मुकुंदेर प्रेम, निगूढ़ निर्मल प्रेम जेन दुग्ध हेम। बाहे राज वैद्य इहो करे राजा वेश, राजा सेवा अंतरे कृष्ण प्रेम यहार जानिबे के बाद। एक दिन म्लेच्छ राजार उच्च तुंगीते, चिकित्सार बाट कहे तहार अग्रेते। हेन काले एक मयूर पुच्छेर आदानी, राजा शिरोपरि धरे एक सेवकानी। सिखी पिच्छ देखी मुकुंद प्रेमाविष्ट हैला, अति उच्च तुंगी हैते भूमिते पड़िला। राजार ज्ञान राज वैद्य रहिल मरण, आपने नामिया तबे कराइला चेतन। Translation: Hearing Mukunda Das give this proper decision, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu confirmed it, saying, yes, it is correct. One who awakens devotion to Krishna is certainly the spiritual master. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very happy just to speak of the glories of his devotees. Indeed, when he spoke of their glories, it was as if he had 5 mouths. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then informed all his devotees, please hear about Mukunda's love of Godhead. It is a very deep and pure love and can only be compared to purified gold. Mukunda Das externally appears to be a royal physician engaged in governmental service, but internally he has a deep love for Krishna. Who can understand his love? One day Mukunda Das, the royal physician, was seated with the Muslim king on a high platform and was telling the king about medical treatment. While the king and Mukunda Das were conversing, a servant brought a fan made of peacock feathers to shade the king's head from the sun. Consequently, he held the fan above the king's head. Just by seeing the peacock feathered fan, Mukunda Das became absorbed in ecstatic love of Godhead and fell from the high platform onto the ground. The king, fearing that the royal physician had been killed, personally descended and brought him to consciousness. Text 125 to 133. राजा बोले व्यथा तुम्ही पाइले कौन ठाई, मुकुंद कहे अति बड़ व्यथा पाई नाई, राजा कहे मुकुंद तुम्ही पड़ीला की लागी, मुकुंद कहे राजा मोर व्याधि आछे मृगी, महाविदग्ध राजा से सब जाने, मुकुंदेरे हईल तार महासिद्ध ज्ञाने। रघुनंदन सेवा करे कृष्णेर मंदिरे, द्वारे पुष्करिणी तार घाटेर ऊपरे, कदम्बेर एक वृक्षे फूटे बार मासे, नित्य दुई फूल है कृष्ण अवतम से। मुकुंदेरे कहे पुनः मधुर वचन, तोमार कार्य धर्मे धन उपार्जन, रघुनंदेर कार्य कृष्णेर सेवन, कृष्ण सेवा विना यहाँ अन्य नाही मन। नरहरि रहु आमार भक्तगण सने, यही तीन कार्य सदा करहो तीन जने। सार्वभौम विद्या वाचस्पति दुई भाई, दुई जने कृपा करी कहे न गोसाई। Translation. When the king asked Mukunda, where is it paining you? Mukunda replied, I am not very much pained. The king then inquired, Mukund, why did you fall down? Mukund replied, my dear king, I have a disease like epilepsy. Being extraordinarily intelligent, the king could understand the whole affair. In his estimation, Mukund was a most uncommon, exalted, liberated personality. Raghunandan is certainly engaged in serving Lord Krishna in the temple. Beside the entrance of the temple is a lake, and on its bank is a kadamba tree, which daily delivers 2 flowers to be used for Krishna's service. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again spoke to Mukunda with sweet words. Your duty is to earn both material and spiritual wealth. Furthermore, it is the duty of Raghunandan to always engage in Lord Krishna's service. He has no other intention but the service of Lord Krishna. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then ordered Narahari, I wish you to remain here with my devotees. In this way, the 3 of you should always execute 3 duties for the service of the Lord. Out of his causeless mercy, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave the following directions to the brothers Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya and Vidya Vachaspati. Text 135 to 136. दारु ब्रह्म रूपे साक्षात श्री पुरुषोत्तम, भागीरथी हैया साक्षात जल ब्रह्म सम, सार्वभौम करो दारु ब्रह्मा आराधना, वाचस्पति करो जल ब्रह्मेर सेवना. Translation. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, in this age of Kali, Krishna is manifest in 2 forms, wood and water. Thus, by enabling the conditioned souls to see the wood and bath in the water, he helps them become liberated. Lord Jagannath is the Supreme Lord himself in the form of wood, and the river Ganga is the Supreme Lord himself in the form of water. Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya, you should engage in the worship of Lord Jagannath Purushottam, and Vachaspati should worship Mother Ganga. So here today I end this chapter in between. Balance I will read tomorrow. Hari Bol, Dandavat Pranam.